Hey guys, so today we will be creating and uploading a channel banner, and we will be using PixArt for this one. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is go on Chrome or Google and type in, search for YouTube banner templates. Yes, YouTube banner templates, and after that then you just want to click on images. Oh, before that I'll take my phone off desktop site. So next you want to select images, then you want to choose the image that you want to work with, the template that you want to work with. I chose the first one, but you can go ahead and select another one. Alright, so after that you want to download the image. So guys, the next step is to download an aesthetic background. So you just want to type in aesthetic backgrounds in Google, then you select images, then you download an image that you like. I'm just gonna go for a random image since I'm only demonstrating. Yes, so I chose that one. So guys, the next step is to open PixArt. If you don't have it, then I suggest that you download it. It's a really nice app. Yes, and also guys, if you're new, subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like if you like it. Okay, so now that it's open, then you're gonna press on the plus sign, the button with the plus sign, and then select all photos. Then you're gonna select the template that you downloaded first. Now at the bottom right here, you just wanna select add photo, and then you're gonna select the aesthetic background that you downloaded last, and we're just gonna adjust it to fit the gray part of the screen. That's the top rectangle and the bottom rectangle. So we're just gonna do the top rectangle first. Then we're gonna add photos again and select the same image and adjust it to fit the bottom rectangle. Now that one is finished, I'm just gonna add another aesthetic background. I'm just gonna add another aesthetic background. Just this one has a smaller rectangle, so I'm just gonna crop it. So that I know where exactly to put my photos and my channel name. So I'm just gonna fit it into the space where the middle rectangle is in my first photo. And guys, as I said before, I'm just demonstrating. I'm not really doing anything fancy. I'm just doing a demonstration. So this is completely optional. Now I'm gonna select my photos that I want to use on my channel art. That's photos of myself. I'm gonna select 2 of them, then I'm gonna crop and minimize them to fit into the middle rectangle. Now I'm just gonna add a border to my photos. So I'm just gonna select the photo, then select border. I went too thin on this one. Now I'm just gonna add a little more thickness to this one. And I'm also going to add my text. So I'm just going at the bottom and click on text. Then I'm gonna add my channel name. Razzie Berry, I'm just gonna add that. Now I'm just going to edit my text. I'm gonna select the color, also the stroke. I'm just gonna adjust the amount of stroke that I want. And then I'm going to add a little bend to the text. Now I'm just going to click the stick, and then I'm going to add a little pink subscribe button to the photo. I'm just gonna fit it into the rectangle, and then I'm going to save the image. So I click the top right, the little arrow, and then I'm going to press save, then save again. And then I'm going to also share it to my gallery, and that's how it's. Now we're gonna learn how to upload the channel banner. So the first thing you're gonna do is go on Google, type in youtube.com. Since you're using a mobile phone, then you click the red arrow and select desktop site. It's at the bottom right there. And then you click on your profile photo. I'm assuming that you have a profile photo. So you click on it, then you select my channel. Then you're going to select customize channel. And then you should see a little pencil icon that shows you an option to edit channel art. You select that, then you select your image, you drag your image, go on file, and you search for the image. Now you're seeing a preview of what your channel banner will look like on a desktop, a TV, and a mobile. Now on the mobile it's not really showing that much, so you're gonna have to adjust the crop. So you select adjust the crop, then you adjust it to show better on your mobile, and then you press select, and it automatically saves. And that's how you create and upload a channel banner. So if you found this video helpful, then please remember to subscribe and like, and also comment down below which other video you want me to do next.